How to connect Slack to Zapier. So to start, the first thing that we need to do is to open browser and then search for zapier.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once you're logged in, we'll have to go on the search bar, and then in here we'll have to search for Slack. After that, we'll have to tap on this one, and then after that, we will be automatically redirected to this page. In here, you will now see this option, Connect Slack. All we need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here, we'll now have to integrate Slack to Zapier. In here, we'll have to select on this one, and then after that, we'll have to add a trigger event. As an example, I'm going to select New Channel. After that, we'll have to tap on Continue, and then in here, we'll have to test the trigger. And then once we're done with that, we'll have to tap on this Continue with Selected Record. In here, we'll have to select again Slack, and then after that, we'll have to add an event again. So as an example, I'm gonna select Create a Channel. After that, tap on Continue, and then in here, we'll have to add a channel name. So as an example, I'm gonna type here HR Reports. After that, we'll have to tap on Continue. And then the last step is we'll have to test this one. And then once we're done, we'll automatically see this option, Publish. So to completely connect Slack to Zapier, all we need to do is to tap on the Publish option. So that's how easy we can connect Slack to Zapier. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.